I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts till they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the...
So I'm slightly too tall for this car. That's okay. It's so bright. Now. Water now.
You're literally standing on barbed wire right now.
Oh, that really fucking hurt. Oh, it's your foot. Okay. That fucking hurt. Wait, what does that sign say? Oh. Steve, man. Watch yourself. Oh, dude. There's so many boo-boos.
Oh, there's broken glass here. Watch it, Steve.
Ah, so many boo-boos. You made it. It's really dark, but... Got one on my face. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, I'm wearing shorts, man. Poison ivy and shit.
Just marijuana's. That actually fucking hurts. There's a path. Let's go.
It's like...
It's beautiful.
Hey bitch, I'll take you to the fucking, I'll take you to the fucking moon and stars. You feel me?
Okay, I hop up in my coupe, y'all. What's up? Do you wanna go far with me? On my hand, I ain't really going far. Bitch, I'll take you to the moon and the stars. Okay, I hop up in my coupe, y'all. What's up? Do you wanna go far with me? On my hand, I ain't really going far. Bitch, I'll take you to the moon and the stars.
I ain't really wanna do it now. I see my name in the back. I see my name in the back.
I see my name in the back, now I'm in the fucking front. 2-door coupe, foreign, no roof with a blunt. Just me and my bitch, and we bout to make a wish. On star, no rim, bitch, we go for the swish. I can take you to the moon, you can see the fucking stars. You the fix to my drugs, I ain't talking about no love. What the fuck, nigga, what's wrong with me? In my life, I just don't wanna bleed. Okay, I hop up in my coupe, y'all. What's up? Do you wanna go far with me? On my hand, I ain't really going far. Bitch, I'll take you to the moon and the stars. Okay, I hop up in my coupe, y'all. What's up? Do you wanna go far with me? On my hand, I ain't really going far. Bitch, I'll take you to the moon and the stars.
Ain't no place in this world I won't go. With ya, turn this suitcase into a home. And I like when we take it too far, but I'd rather be closer. Play with me like a video game, saying you like when I'm taking control. If my love can't be your fix, then what are we up all night for?
Smell it.
Someone smells good. Who is it?
Just blow it.
Someone smells good.
That should get off.
Nah, I can't wait. Hold on. Pause it. I gotta gather myself first. Let loose. That's it. You can cut that out. That's hardcore, dude.
Should I bring the nipple clamps?
I'll bring the nipple clamps, bro.
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
What's going on?
The store doesn't fucking stay open, man.
Get your bitch ass out of the car. Can you relax? No.
How am I supposed to get out? How am I supposed to get out?
These are some pretty fireworks. This really
It's out of this.
It really hurts. Oh, I'm looking at the light. You could have told me that like 10 years ago.
Stop.
I think. Hello.
Do you get mustache as the patty? Look, mustache burger.
Damn. Like it's because it's an Egyptian street food. So like it's really popular amongst their culture because it's street food and they probably can't get that anywhere but like here. So it's a really cool thing and I think we should all try it.
I don't fucking know, dude. We should go for the Holy Grail.
And that settles that.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That was? Oh. Balls. You got so many balls.
Park their motorcycle up here.
How one? Drive?
I can drive this.
No, she can't.
Yes, I can.
You have your G1?
No.
No. Okay. Give me these back.
Look at this guy.
Where do you work, by the way? Where do you get the job? On fee. On fee.
Congratulations, man.
With your feet on the